now in the main module assembly of 2G. The module assembly is among the first steps of creating a full CHP unit. In this building we are working on a 2, depending on demand, 3-shift system. Our specialized staff ensures a high level of product quality following standardized procedures in the manufacturing process. We're on the shop floor. The product portfolio of 2G comprises of units between 20 and 4,000 kilowatt of electrical capacity for various gas types, including hydrogen. The manufacturing process includes the assembly of generator, engine, base frame, pumps, heat exchangers, as well as various other components. The typical application for a cogeneration system can be in the agricultural sector, waste to energy, the food and beverage industry, the chemical industry, as well as various other sectors. The average production time, depending on the cogeneration type, ranges from 6 to 26 weeks. The working principle of a cogeneration system is the simultaneous conversion of the fuel into electrical and thermal energy. I'm standing here in front of the core piece of the cogeneration system, the engine. In 2008, 2G started its own R&D efforts that nowadays allow us to provide customers with units that are distinct due to high reliability, a very high efficiency, and overall optimized total cost of ownership. It also allows us to provide equipment with distinct configuration to match specific fuel requirements. With 50 engineers and technicians in our R&D department alone, 2G has developed its own distinct engine features such as pistons, cylinder heads, liners, spark plugs, turbocharger, gas mixer, and various other components that allows for a distinct configuration of the engine to the specific requirements on site. Let it be climate, altitude, as well as various gas types.